While iOS 18 may be very tempting to some of the users that you might actually just want to install already, I just want you to watch this video very carefully. Now, first of all, before you install, there are a couple of things that you need to understand over here. This is actually the beta one, which is the initial beta, which means it is going to be especially very buggy. And I don't recommend that if you're using your iPhone as a primary device or as a daily driver thing, then I wouldn't recommend that you install the beta version. Now if you do, you must also understand the risks that come with it. Second thing that I want you to check is whether or not you have backed up all of your data. Because this is the first beta, anything could go wrong. You could potentially break your device, or maybe if it could be especially buggy that maybe you're not able to restore all of your data. So go to your Apple ID here and go to iCloud and make sure you tune on all the backup. Now if you have too much photos that is not fitable inside the iCloud's free 5 gigabytes, then you might want to back up somewhere on your Mac or somewhere on other devices and so on. The third thing that I want you to check is your device storage. Just make sure that you have at least 30 to 40 gigabytes of free storage before you try to update your Apple or your iPhone to the beta version, because when you have the lack of storage, it could cause some of the issues that you might not be expecting. So just make sure that you have got enough of free storage. And last but not the least, what I want to tell you over here is that the iOS 18 beta version may be tempting, but there might not be really useful to some of the users, aside from customization and all those things that they added that has been in years until Android already had it 2 to 3 years before, since Android 12, all the monet theming, the wallpaper icons and so on. So I hope that this video helped you understand whether or not you should install the iOS 18 beta. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.